Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you a review on few skincare products that I've been using from quite some time. So it's been almost a month that I've been using these products, and I would tell you if these products have worked for me or not, and if I would recommend these products or not. So if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Jacqueline. I would really appreciate it if you could take a moment and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin. So I'm going to talk to you about the brand The Derma Co, and these are the products that I'm going to talk to you about today and share with you guys if these products have worked for me or not, what are the benefits, and would I recommend these products or not. So the first product that I'm going to talk to you about is this. So if you look at this product, the packaging looks really good. It comes with a pump and it's very easy to use, and it says it's an AHA BHA foaming cleanser which is suitable for all skin types. It has mandelic acid, glycolic acid and salicylic acid. Now don't get scared listening to the word acid. Now these are acids which are used in skincare products and these are good for skin. But if you've never used any kind of AHA and BHA in your skincare, I would recommend you, if you wish to use it, to start with the cleanser. And this is one good cleanser which I have come across, and you can definitely use this one. The only thing that I don't like about the cleanser is the fragrance. There is some kind of fragrance in this cleanser which I don't like. Otherwise, it's a good cleanser, it does a good job and I like it. And it cost around 349 rupees. And I got a bunch of products, so there is some discount that I received, but the cost is 349 rupees. And if you ask me, I would recommend this product for anybody who wants to include AHA and BHA in their skincare. To begin with, you can definitely try this product. So the next product that I'm going to talk to you about is this. It's a moisturizer which I got along with the other products that I brought, and this is an oil-free moisturizer which is good for normal to oily skin. Now this is a gel-based moisturizer. I'll show you how it looks. It's a gel-based moisturizer and it's really nice on the skin and light on the skin. So it works really well for someone who has an oily skin, which is me. I have an oily skin and it really works well for my skin, and I liked this moisturizer. So if you wish to give it a try, you can definitely do this, only if you have an oily or a normal skin. If you have a dry skin, don't go for this because this won't do anything great for you. If you have a dry skin, you should always go for a bit more creamy formula. So love this one, love the packaging, and there's no price on this because I think I just got it along with the other stuff that I ordered. So the third product that I'm going to talk to you about is this. This is a sunscreen. It says Pure Zinc Matte Sunscreen Gel. This says it is for sensitive skin, and it's an organic sunscreen and it has 100% natural zinc oxide. Now honestly, I didn't like this product at all. Like, I tried using it for a couple of times and I didn't like it and I don't use it. So I'll show you how it is. It is a cream based sunscreen, and this actually leaves a white cast on your face when you apply it. If you see, it's so white, and when I applied it on my face, I didn't like it at all. See, even after blending it, it still looks white. So I didn't like this sunscreen at all because when I look for sunscreen, I want it to be like blended into my skin, and I don't want any kind of white cast on my face after applying the sunscreen. But this sunscreen does leave a white cast, which I don't like. So I wouldn't personally recommend this to anybody because everyone wants a sunscreen which will be light on the skin and which will not leave anything like white on your face. So No. So the next product that I'm going to talk to you about is this. This is a niacinamide serum. It is for acne marks. It can be used during the day and night. And the good thing is it mentions how much niacinamide it has. So here it says 10% niacinamide. And this cost around, it is actually for 599 rupees. And I like the packaging. I like how it is. And it comes with a pump. You can just take few drops on your hand and apply it all over your face. So niacinamide is also called vitamin B3. This helps to even out your skin. It helps if you have fine lines and wrinkles. If you have large pores, it also helps in that. Now, my opinion, what I felt about this product is it's good. I've used it for quite some time, but honestly, it doesn't help with acne marks. It gave my skin like a freshness, a glow. I would say like my skin was looking healthy, but the acne marks was still there. It didn't do anything to my acne marks. So if you're looking for acne marks, don't go for this one. But if you just want to include a niacinamide in your skincare, you can go for this and use this. It's really good. It gets absorbed into your skin beautifully, and like I said, it gives a freshness to your skin, and your skin looks healthy. And that is what I feel about this product. So I like it. I would say I like it, but for acne marks it won't help. That's what I feel. It didn't help for my acne marks. I have acne marks here, but it didn't help in that at all. So overall, a good product. So guys, this is my review on these products, and this is purely what I feel about the product after using it. I've given it enough time. I've used it for a month almost, and then I'm sharing this review. I hope this is helpful for you, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Mention in the comment section if you liked it, and if you would like to see more such videos. I would be glad to make more reviews on products that I used, skincare, makeup, hair care. So do mention in the comment section, and also subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever I make a new video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.